Oh my god. Let me just check them real quick. Make sure all options. Options. Video settings. Brightness. I'm gonna change to that. I usually have it brighter like that. IO. Game settings. On. That's good. Oh, I can have no gore on this. So what's up? There's definitely a place if you're going through on Nightmare, or whatever the hardest difficulty is. Insane. Hey.
Another one for the journal.
Not collectible.
Dizzy, we could use some light. Away! I got your back like a butt crack.
I got your back like a butt crack. That's great. That should be the title of the video when it goes up on YouTube. This section. Got your back like a butt crack. That's a way to open up the gate. 50 bullets, really? Can't get any more than that. Shouldn't be complaining though. Roof or hotel? Roof or hotel? Going hotel because it's inside. Which, there's probably cogs on the rooftop. I have to remember which way I go. Well, I'll probably look at a collection list at the end of the game to figure out where I missed stuff. Who do I have with me this time? Because Dom was very unhelpful in number 1. I saw him get down like every single place. Looks like it's Carmine. Which I'm fine with that. They're over there yet? No, they are not.
Dom, drop a mortar through the roof. I need a way in.
On it! Wait for it! Wait for it!
Thanks! Let's move!
Just be careful. I threw it down an entire floor. Ammo. I thought you got a lot more ammo when you picked up one of those things, but it's fine. There we go.
Can't get a target.
I gotta get killed with everything. It looks like every weapon.
This'll do. I'll take this.
Don't need the hammer burst rifle anymore then.
Mortars are all clear, Dizzy. Let's get to the drilling zone. I think we'll ride the rest of the way.
We got a Brumark coming out of the tunnel.
Oh, hell, you gonna try to molest my Betty? Delta, defend the ring!
Oh, cool. Okay, there's no Brumac dead, at least. Brumac barbecue. Woo! I don't think I found any documents in there, so it has been on a rooftop. Or I could have missed it. Which is very possible.
Dirty grub, shit all over the place. I got no respect for the dead. A lot of good soldiers from the Pendulum Wars buried here. Sure could use those men now.
Oh, I still have it.
This is Delta. We've reached the drill zone.
Roger that, Delta. What's your launch status?
We're getting the lifts in position now. Long as Delta keeps my ass covered.
Roger that. Control out.
Locust! Another grub hose. Hey, get through him!
Are these the 10 shitloads you were telling me about, Sergeant?
What do you think? Hit him hard, Delta!
Damn it! They keep coming!
Dizzy, how much longer do you need?
That's how you do it. Those mortars really help. There we go. Hey! I unlocked a new character.
To the grind lips. Let's go, 2x2.
Yo, Marcus,
Yeah.
if something happens to me, promise me you'll
I
look
want to
for
try
me.
to stay quiet during cutscenes.
No problem.
What the fuck is that? That's a new thing.
Get your asses down there!
No, not Dizzy!
Marcus, should we try something? Damn it! Whoop bot!
No! Not Ty.
Ah, fuck!
Oh, I fucking hate that. Not Dizzy and Ty. Well, I went to Carmine. So this is, I think, Act 2 then. I guess. I can't remember if Dizzy or Ty made it to Gears of War 3, if they're in the campaign at all.
Man, if Cole used to puke on a raven, he must be tagging the walls with Chook right now. Damn. So this is what the inner hollow looks like.
Ty, this is Marcus. Do you read me? Ty! Dizzy! Dizzy, you there? Oh, shit. Control, this is Delta. Do you read?
Delta, this is Alpha 1. We've lost contact with the surface. We're limited to short-range radio, but we've got a line on a cedar.
Roger that, Alpha 1. Good hunting.
Sarge, can you hear me?
Carmine, what's your
Yes!
position?
Carmine!
Not really sure, sir. I think my lift went off course.
Is Ty with you?
No, he jumped out before launch. But I see another lift up ahead.
All right, head that way and we'll catch up. Don't engage the enemy. Just defend your position.
Will do, Sarge. Wish me luck.
Hang in there, Rook. We'll be there soon. Let's go find Carmine.
Okay, let's go find Carmine. On the search for Carmine.
Dom, let's split up. We'll find him faster.
Okay. There has to be some... Oh my... Why is there so many different paths? Where the hell he just went. Looks like 3 different paths, and there's probably intel down each path, knowing my luck. Intel or collectibles. Come on, Locust, I know you're in here.
Delta, this is Control. Service comm re-established thanks to Alpha 1.
Good to hear, Control.
And keep an eye on the ceilings, Delta. Grind lifts could be dropping down all around you.
Roger that. Any word from Ty or Dizzy?
Sorry, Marcus. Drill zone's gone dark. I'll keep trying.
Okay.
Oh, and Marcus, be careful down there, all right?
Yeah.
Is that...
Thanks, Anya. Delta out.
How did Dom get that far up? Why the hell is this area so big? God damn. Goddamn 47.
This is Corporal Stratton of Alpha 7. We're in the hollow.
Jace, this is Delta. Good to have you here. Good luck out there.
You too, Marcus. Thanks. Stratton out.
What was that?
Keep it together, Rook. Dom, double time.
I really have no goddamn clue where Rook is. I don't even know if I'm still going the correct freaking way. There has to be me missing intel in this section.
Let's get in there, Dom. Frag out.
Okay,
Gotcha.
at least we got Carmine.
Sarge, I made it.
Rook, you did good. Control, this is Delta. We got Carmine, but it looks like Echo 5 is down. We're heading deeper into the hollow.
Tunnel maps show direct access approximately 30 meters ahead.
But, sir, there's a wall there.
What about the grind lift?
I think it's busted, sir.
Jack, see what you can do.
Oh. This is interesting. I can say the least.
More locusts!
Hold them off so Jack can fix the lift.
I want to see something. Saw something flash on this drill over here. Must be the button to activate afterwards. Holy crap, a locust. Okay, grenade. Hopefully this bounces right.
Tell his little robot
God damn it. How did Dom get through that? There we go.
Delta, according to Jack, that grind lift should be operational now.
Thanks, Control. All right, let's give this lift a shove.
Man, it's dusty as hell.
Well, looks like everything is dead in here, so I wouldn't be surprised that it'd be dusty as hell.
Yeah, but I wouldn't see snipers so well, then, would I?
Hold it, Dom.
This is Omega 1. We are about to be overrun.
Let's get down there, Delta.
Yeah, let's. They're way far ahead of me because I was helping.
Could use some assistance. There we go. Hit him harder. Let's go, man. Move.
My guy stopped and it looked like I was frozen for a second there. Oh wow, they just dug into the water.